Have you ever wondered if there was a way to make $30 in less than 5 minutes? It definitely seems better than spending all day typing papers for assignments or working non-stop on your computer, doesn't it? There is, and we're going to speak about it today. All you have to do is follow a few easy steps and you can start making money in minutes. To begin, you need a computer or phone, as well as an internet connection. Take note that it possibly gives around $30 in about 2 minutes, so that's $150 in about 10 minutes or $450 in 30 minutes. So how do you do it? First, get yourself a lovely cup of coffee or tea to ensure you don't miss anything from what I'm about to discuss with you today. Now, let's get back to the video, so let's jump right into the introduction of yet another prospective money-generating website that may be ideal for you, AskWonder.com. If you're wondering what this website is all about and what it offers, AskWonder is effectively a personal research assistant that saves students and other professionals time by getting detailed answers and resources to their email from a trustworthy network of researchers. Now, if you go to their website, it says great research is delivered fast, which is a very powerful claim that the researchers actually live up to. If you scroll down, you can actually see some sample researchers that you can check out, and each of them offers very compelling and well-written research answers. There are basically two types of people who visit this website: those who have research questions that they want to be answered, and those who provide well-written, brilliant answers. The entire thing that happens on this website is that people who have research ideas that they want to work on are deposited into the website. The individuals behind AskWonder create great research questions that go to the heart of the problem. They will practically build the research team on the fly, bringing in hundreds of excellent analysts from all over the world depending on the size and complexity of the project. The analysts will examine publicly indexed sources using modern research methodologies, solving each jigsaw puzzle in real time before combining it into a brief using their patented knowledge assembly process. Their research will still go through a number of quality tests before being returned to the client. But how will you earn money from this now? By becoming one of AskWonder's researchers and providing answers to wondering questions. That's right. You'll have to become one of their research analysts to earn money, but don't worry, because I'll show you how to become an amazing research analyst without even exhausting your brain. Yes, it is completely possible, and I will guide you every step of the way. First, check at the top right of the pages and click on the Become a Researcher button. If you're interested in joining, click on the Sign Up button and begin filling out basic information, including your work name, and agree to the terms and conditions. Now that you've been accepted, there are several questions for you to answer and submit an article worth at least $30. It's getting exciting, right? By simply answering easy questions, you may immediately make at least $30, and that's just the minimum. Now that you've signed up, let's talk about how you can start making money. As previously said, there are several questions available for you to answer, and they are constantly updated whenever a customer comes in and wants his or her thoughts or queries polished. It is your responsibility as a registered research analyst to answer these questions thoroughly. But there is a very simple approach to answering these questions without breaking a sweat, which I will share with you shortly. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it big thumbs up if you've loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Now let's go back to the video. So now that you've signed in, you're already in your dashboard, and you see several projects open for you to answer. I'll teach you a way to answer these questions really successfully in just a few minutes. Click on the projects you wish to work on, and then go to the directing page where you may submit your file. For example, if you are asked why people believe the Earth is flat, you don't have to rack your brain to answer this question or any other question on the website. You just need to do your own research on Google for possible answers. That's right, Google is your buddy here, but if you have any other search engines available to you or prefer, you may use them as well. All you have to do is copy or type out the question and paste it into the search engine, and you'll have a variety of sources to answer the question for you. Pretty simple, right? My most useful recommendation for you is to look for sources that have been verified, since AskWonder is partnered with large legitimate companies. Therefore, you also need to make sure that your answers are credible and accurate, because you don't want to lose such a large sum of money, do you? After you've searched on Google, open your Word application software, such as Microsoft Word or Google Docs, and begin typing and copy-pasting possible best answers for the article in which you're participating. You can combine all of the answers you've gathered from various sources into one document, but make sure you pay attention to the soundness and unity of your answers. Make sure your responses are complete, even if there isn't much you can do, because most of the answers discovered on Google are already detailed. After you've finished, submit it to your chosen question tab in AskWonder, and you won't have to worry about your payment, because it'll just take a few hours or a day to link to your PayPal account or preferred online wallet. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.